We're going to troubleshoot the type error, cli.init is not a function error you might encounter when creating a React Native project on Windows. This error typically arises from issues with your Node.js and NPM or Yarn installations, or problems with the React Native CLI itself. Let's fix it step by step. 1. Verify Node.js and NPM. Installation. First, make absolutely sure you have Node.js and NPM or Yarn correctly installed. Open your command prompt or PowerShell and type node v and npm v or yarn v. You should see version numbers printed. If not, download and install the latest LTS version of Node.js from the official website. NPM usually comes bundled with it. If using Yarn, install it separately. Restart your computer after installation to ensure changes take effect. 2. Check for multiple Node.js installations. Sometimes having multiple versions of Node.js installed can cause conflicts. Use a tool like NVM, Node Version Manager, to manage your Node.js versions and ensure you're using only one installation. NVM helps you switch between different Node.js versions easily, eliminating potential conflicts. If you find multiple installations, try uninstalling all but one, preferably the latest LTS version. 3. Ensure NPM or Yarn is updated. Outdated package managers can lead to compatibility issues. Update NPM by running npm install gnpm at latest in your command prompt. Similarly, if using Yarn, update it using npm install gyarn. This ensures you're using the most recent version, which often contains bug fixes and improved compatibility. 4. Clear npm cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can interfere with the React Native CLI. Try clearing your npm cache by running npm cache clean force in your terminal. This will remove old and potentially problematic cached packages. If using Yarn, you might try yarn cache clean. 5. Reinstall React Native CLI. If the problem persists, it's possible that your React Native CLI installation is corrupted. Uninstall the CLI using npm uninstall g React Native CLI or yarn global remove React Native CLI. Then reinstall it using npm install g React Native CLI or yarn global add React Native CLI. This reinstalls the CLI from scratch, resolving potential corruption issues. 6. Check your environment variables. Ensure your path environment variable includes the directories where Node.js and npm are installed. Incorrectly configured path variables can prevent the system from finding the necessary executables. Search online for how to set environment variables in Windows for instructions specific to your system. 7. Restart your computer, again. After making any significant changes, especially to environment variables, always restart your computer to allow the changes to take full effect. 8. Check for conflicting packages. Other globally installed packages might conflict with the React Native CLI. Try temporarily uninstalling any potentially conflicting packages, and then try creating the project again. If the project creation succeeds, you'll have identified a conflicting package. 9. Use a fresh command prompt or PowerShell window. Open a new command prompt or PowerShell window after making any of the above changes. This will ensure you're working with a clean environment. 10. Admin privileges. Sometimes running your command prompt or PowerShell as an administrator can solve permission-related errors. Try right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. By systematically following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the type error init is not a function error and successfully create your React Native project. Remember to check for any error messages displayed in the terminal. They often provide valuable